In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. So let's start. Open up business.facebook.com and you should be able to open up the Meta Business Suite. Make sure you select a business account on the top left. Then you're going to be able to see the settings here. Click on settings and then click on business assets on the left. Under Instagram profile, just click add Instagram account and make sure to agree to Instagram terms and all that stuff, and click on claim Instagram account, and it will ask you to log in to your Instagram account. So I'm just going to log into my account. Once you're done, you can just exit from here and go to business or Meta Business and then click done. It said that my account has been added, and as you can see, my account has been added from the Meta Business Suite. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.